Hello everyone, my name is Timiris.
My name is Ayaru.
We want to tell you about
our countryside. Let's start.
This is our school. It's located at the center of the village. I go to school and I am in 7th grade.
I go to school by bus because I live far from the school and I am in 6th grade.
Let's go!
This is our village center. There are many different buildings. This is our club. Various events are held here.
Such as concert, festivals and performances. This is a library.
This is a musical school. There is one supermarket in our village.
This is the medical outpatient clinic.
We come here when we are sick.
Or come to get a doctor's consultation.
Don't be ill.
There is a restaurant in our village.
This is a pharmacy. We can buy medical here. Let's go. Hello, Mrs. Aguirre.
Hello girls, can I help you?
I want to buy some vitamins.
But I can't sell medicine to children. It's against the rules.
What's a pity? It's against the rules to sell drugs to children. I'm going to meet sheep. I help my parents at weekends because weekdays I'm at school. We have 11 sheep and 4 goats. When they come home, I feed them. It's my favorite kid. We play together. It's so cute and sweet. There is a kindergarten in our village.
There are many playgrounds in our village. One of them located near the kindergarten. In my free time, I go here with my friends.
That is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.